Okay, so to get started with the chatbot, of course, we're going to go to events and use the green flag clicked. We're going to go to looks and we're going to get a couple of says. And we're going to use these says to introduce the chatbot. And so I'm going to say, I'm the chatbot cat, right? And ask me anything and you might be surprised. Okay, great. And if I hit the green flag, it says, hello, I'm the chatbot cat. Ask me anything, you might be surprised. And now we want to get the input from the user. We've done this in our past assignment. And we're going to use the um, ask button, right? And I want to say here, type in your question below. And so that's about it, right? And we're going to go ahead and hit the green flag click. We start with our intro, and I'm going to type in, how old are you? Right? But the cat does nothing because we've programmed nothing yet. And so one more thing I want to go over is how we can get our sprite to not be the cat, but to be something from the internet. And so the way we're going to do it, let me bring the window down, is we go to a new tab, and let's say I want to have my chatbot be a robot, right? So I put here robots, and you want to be sure to put in transparent PNG. So what that's going to do is it's going to give you a image. I'm going to go ahead and click the image tab, an image that's transparent so that we don't need to erase the background. Okay. And so let's see, this one here looks pretty good. Let me click on that one. Let me click on this one. That looks good as well. Maybe I can use this one too. So what I'm doing is holding down command and clicking on all the ones that look interesting to me. Right? And so now what that does is it opens up each of those images in a different tab. And you notice when we look at the images, they have a checkered gray and white background. What that tells me is that the image is transparent and there is no background. Right? So when we import it into Scratch, we don't need to worry about deleting the background. So let's see, which one looks the best? I think this one looks the best. It looks friendly and it's big and crystal clear. So what I want to do now is hit view image. We have this image here and it's very large. I'm going to hit control, hold down the control button, click, and say save image as. And I'm going to save image as goodbye robot. I'm going to choose my desktop to do that and hit save. And so now it's saved. So when I come back here to Scratch, I can use this open folder, upload sprite from file button, go to my desktop where I saved it, and look for goodbye robot right here. So I open it. It's going to load, but it's going to be pretty big, right? So I'm going to shrink it down using the shrink tool. Keep on clicking it. And I want to go ahead and take this code that I had with the cat and move it to the robot. So I'm going to move it right over the robot. And I'm going to go ahead and unclick this here and just put a hide on the cat. Right? Or I could just go ahead and delete him altogether. Hold down control or command. No, that's not doing it. Maybe I can use the scissor tool here and click on the cat to make him go away. So now I have a robot that is chatting with the user of my program. Now I don't want him to say I'm the chatbot cat, right? So I'm going to put here, I am a chatbot. Right? Ask me anything and you will be surprised. You might be surprised. Right? So type in your question below, and I'm going to say, how old are you? And of course, to respond would be the next lesson in the next activity in the lesson.